Here in this video we will talk about how to simplify these type of equations. I will take some examples and I will explain the solution, like how to solve these type of equations. In my previous video I talked about linear equations in one variable, and these are also linear equations in one variable. The only thing is we have to simplify them. First step would be just to cross multiply. In this we will multiply 8 with x plus 1 and 3 with 2x plus 3, right? So it will be like 8x plus 1 is equal to 3 2x plus 3. Now we will open brackets, and here it will be 8x, 8 multiplied with the first term x, then plus 8 multiplied with the second term, 8 ones are 8. On the other side, 3 will be multiplied with the first term, then with the second term. 3 2s are 6, x is also there. 3 3s are 9. In my previous video I explained that the terms with variables will be taken on the same side and terms without variables will be taken on the other side. So what we will do is we will take 6x on this side, so it is 8x. 6x is positive here. When positive term will move on the other side of the equality, it will changes its sign, it will changes its operation. If it is plus, it will become negative, okay, minus 6x. And on the same way 8 will be taken on the other side. 9 was already over there. When 8 will be taken on that side, it will become minus 8. It was plus 8, will become minus 8. Now 8x minus 6x, this will be 8 minus 6, 2x is equal to 9 minus 8, 1, right? Now next point is, I also explained there that whenever any term which is taken on the other side of the equality, when it is multiplied with the variable, then when it is taken on the other side of the equality, multiplication will be changes into division. So what will happen? X will be equal to 2 has taken on the other side, it will become 1 divided by 2. So the value of x is 1 upon 2. This was the equation, and we just simplify the equation, then find the value of x. Now in order to judge whether our value is right or not, what we will do is we will fill, let us say this is equation 1, we will fill this equation on the left hand side of the equation, and if this left hand side becomes equal to right hand side, then our answer will be correct, right? So just take left hand side, put the value of x over there. It was x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3. X is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 plus 3, right? Here 2 is LCM. When we will take 2 LCM, 2 will be multiplied with 1, so this is 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, right? And in the same way you can cross 2 with 2 also, but if you don't want to cross it, you can simply write 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is multiplied with 2, or you can say that I would like to cancel it, it would be better. So we will be left with 1 and 3, right? Now here it was 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2, and here it was 4, and in the same way 3 divided by 2. When this 4 will go upside, then obviously we know that it will invert itself, because it was already, it can be written as like this. So when this term goes with the above statement or the above terms, then this term gets inverted. So it was 3, it was 4 upon 1, it will become 1 upon 4, and now we have 3 4 2s are 8, which is equal to right hand side of the equation. So what happens is left hand side has become equals to right hand side, so our answer is correct. Fine. In this way we will come to next question, and which is also similar. Here we have 5x minus 2, 2x minus 7 is equal to 2, 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So in the same way our first step will be just to, here we do not have anything like numerator or denominator, fine. So we will no, we will not require to do cross multiplication over there. The second step after cross multiplication was just we opened the brackets and solve the equation in the same way. What we will do, we will open the brackets, right? So first of all it is 5x. Now 2 is multiplied with 2, 2 2s are 4. Now x was also there. Now 2 will be multiplied with the second term, which is 7 2s are 14. But here we have minus, here we have minus, so minus minus will become positive here. And 2 multiplied with 7, we know that when we open the brackets, then the operation we usually follow is what? It is multiplication. So 7 is multiplied with 2, 7 2s are 14, right? It is done on this side. On the other side, open the bracket, 2 multiplied with 3, 2 3s are 6, x was there. So then minus 2 is multiplied with 1, 2 1s are 2, then plus 7 upon 2, right? Now we already know that the terms with the variables we can operate, or we can just subtract or add them. 5x minus 4x will give us the value 1x. I'm writing simply x plus 14 is equal to, it is 6x. And can we solve these equations also? Because this is the term without variable, these were the terms with variables, so we solved these two terms. Okay, in the same way these are the terms without variables, so we can solve these terms also. What we will do, it will be 2 multiplied with 2, 2 2s are 4, this is minus 4, and plus 7 divided by 2, right? And what else we can do is we can just multiplied 2 with 6 also. So it will be I think it would be better not to Now next step will be just take minus common from here. 6x minus is common, so it will be 4 minus 7 upon 2. Now 6x minus 4 minus 7, it will be 3, and we will write here negative sign because bigger term is 7 here, and the sign which is before the bigger term we will usually apply that sign over there. So this is minus 3 divided by 2. Now open the brackets, what you will get, it will be 6x minus minus plus 3 divided by 2, right? So what we have now, x plus 14 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 2, right? Now we will take terms with variables x on the same side and without variables on the other side. So you can take x on this side and 3 by 2 on this side. So this is 14. When 3 by 2 will be taken on the other side of the equality, plus 3 by 2 will become minus 3 by 2, right? And here 6x is there. When x is taken on the other side of the equality, it will become minus x, right? Now 14 is multiplied with 2, right? We usually what we do, 2 is the LCM, and when 2 is divided by 1, it will be 2. 2 is multiplied with 14, it will give us the value 28. 28 when 2 is divided with 2, it will be equals to 1. 1 is multiplied with 3, it will be equal to 3 divided by 2, and here 6x minus x on the other side of the equality, it will be equal to 5x, right? Now what we will do is 28 minus 3, this is equal to 25 upon 2, and here 5x was already there, right? And when 5 is taken on the other side of the equality, because we need the value of x only, so obviously we want to make x free of this numeral also, so we will take this on the other side of the equality, and what it will become, x is equal to 25 upon 2, it is multiplied, and when it is taken on the other side, it will be in division form. So 5 5s are 25, and we are left with 5 by 2. So this is our answer, and x is the value of x is the value of this equation. And in the same way as we checked our answer, like we will put it in the left hand side, so if the term is equals to right hand side, then the answer would be true. And here we have variables on both the sides, so what we will do is we will fill the value x by x is equal to 5 by 2 in the left hand side of the equation, and then we will fill the value in the right hand side of the equation. If the value of left hand side becomes equal to right hand side, then our answer will be correct, right? So this is all about how to simplify these type of equations, and after simplification how we can check our solution. Thank you so much for watching.